We're back! Hello everybody! Welcome! The show continues! Yes! How are you guys? How is everyone? Oh my god. Kirk! I'm here! I'm back! Don't worry. Everything's alright. Don't worry, Kirk. Zacromonster! I'm here for you as well, and for everyone. Green, good to see you, what's up? Gabor, hey, Savas, it was a fellow Hungarian trader from Florida. Microphone sucks? Oh, how about now? It's too loud, right? Oh. Oh my god. I know what's the problem. I do sound like... hold on, let me check. Let me, I know what's the problem, I think. I know what's the problem. Just give me a moment. Just give me a moment. All is gonna be good, don't worry. All is gonna be good. Okay, I know what the problem is. I know what the problem is. Hold on. Hold on. Almost there. I'm working on it. Man. Okay, it should be good now. I think it should be good now. Let me check. It should be good now. It's definitely better than before. Not the final best version, but it's definitely better than before. I know. It was a driver issue. Hey, it's a clone. No. I'm gonna test this. Anyway, we had the market open, so we just went down to Asia low again. And it busted into this 4-hour gap here. Hey Navo, welcome. Kirk. Yeah, we have news at yeah. So welcome again, everybody. Welcome Kirk. And welcome Zacromonster Green. Gabor Servus, Filkos and Navab. Alright. I'm gonna check the sound now. Okay, it's definitely better. No, I bought actually another webcam. So right now, currently, that you are seeing is the new almost $100 webcam because I was freezing at MyFundedTV yesterday and last week. So 2 times I was freezing. So I bought a brand new webcam and I think the drivers could be upside down. Hey, Martin. Lizel, good to see you. Yes, I'm a clone. I am, Filkos, but don't worry. Thank you, Nava. Well, let's just hope I'm not going to freeze in MyFundedTV. We'll see. But anyway, it's a different webcam right now. So... kind of messed up the drivers. Hey, Kenchua. Sorry, I haven't replied to your message yet. I got your message, Ken. I was not at the computer since London session. I just had to go away, and I just got back like not too long ago. And I'm definitely gonna be with you there. I'll have more time after MyFundedTV, and tonight I will settle some emails and messages, stuff like that. You have paused from scalping? Yeah. So far, it's good. By the way, I'm in the market today. The only profit I made today is $240 on a funded account, but I think I'm gonna request $800 tomorrow from MyFundedFutures. So no, it's I have time. And by the way, next week, I'm just saying this, you know, next week I might not gonna be streaming on Monday or Tuesday, or both days. So maybe we're gonna take a long weekend on Friday, down at the beach, at the sea. So I'm not sure I'll be here. Maybe I'll take my laptop and I'll do some laptop stream. I'm gonna have to talk about this with MyFunded TV too, if they can cover me, or if not, maybe I'm gonna postpone it for after next week. So because it's so hard to find a hotel room, everything is packed. But I have to schedule this properly. Live stream at the beach. That would be awesome. Actually, I wanted to ask this, but don't tell anyone. I wanted to ask this about MyFunded TV hosts. If I can try to log in from the beach. I have a we have a good laptop, a very good laptop. I was able to stream with it last year, and I don't know if I should do that, or can I do that at MyFunded TV? You know, trader streams from the beach. I don't know, but it would be hilarious, I think. Anyway, the market went down, took out this level. Nothing really happened here. One level that we still have is this here, but it's not quite an order block because there's no market structure shift. But we might just go down further to the 300s. Let me check it on the 1 minute chart. Yeah, it's technically not an order block. So there is one, though, on the 15-minute chart down at 252. This one. So these bearish candles are a bullish order block. I don't know if it's going to go down. I would rather look for long positions into that 1 hour fair value gap. One of the reasons is because up here there's a 1 minute / maybe 5 or 15-minute zone as well. Let's just check it. Oh yeah, exactly. So look at this level up there. That would be interesting to go for. I have no positions on again. Yeah, I like this better. So 1 minute / 5 minute zone up there. I kind of like that. Yeah, with the cocktail, yeah. Sunglass, everything. Do it like Zlatan. He said once in TV interview, when this trainer and colleagues went for him, training starts when I say so. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, that would be awesome, because anyway, that's cool. So I like this level here. Look at this. Boom. I think that's a proper order block. So I'll be looking for long positions. Let's just see how far can we get with this. I do need to find I do need to find a proper entry as well. How far are we from this? 50? I'm not sure if this one can do it, but we'll see. Would be interesting to see a move higher. Okay, so here's the market structure shift. Um, and my level is that I'm looking for is set 377. $377. Oh my god, look at that. It's just going. I don't want to chase it. Part of me wants to chase it. The other part of me. Oh man. It just looks like it wants to go. Yeah, it's up there. It's starting at 77.50. Let me see the open of this candle. Yeah, no, 77.75 to be exact. Let's see. All right. Am I going to take this for a scalp maybe? For 10, 15 points ish? I'm not sure. Let's see for a pullback into the gap. This would be the first fair value gap here. Let me delete this level. So the famous first fair value gap is right here. I think we should be seeing a pullback into that area, in my opinion. Yeah. Feels like it wants to take liquidity from there. Also, question, is President Trump gonna speak or something? We have the news in 19 minutes. Good morning, Bogo FX. Welcome. Can we trade at 9:45? Yes, you can. Absolutely. Absolutely, by all means. Also, the 10 a.m. news, you can trade that. Actually, let me check this. Yeah, of course. It's not in the calendar, so why not? Okay, we wick down a little bit. Maybe not completely into the first gap, but not on the mini. I think the mini didn't go down there as much. And so we're just waiting right now. 3 micros long. Let's go. One, minute/5 minute supply zone. It has been mitigated once. I feel like that price might want to break it again. I entered the long position at 57.25, scalping it. So I just took a long. Even if it goes to drawdown, I'm gonna let it be, and we'll see how it's gonna close or go. I'm expecting a pullback, by the way, but I don't care. Jesus. I made a mistake. No. I entered, instead of 2 micros, I entered with 2 minis. 2 mini. I entered with 2 minis. Oh no. No way, dude. I entered with 2 minis. No. What should I do, man? Is this a joke? Come on. Oh. Fudge. Too many. I know. I'm not gonna add 2 more. Yeah, I'm gonna see what this might do here. Fudge. Sorry guys, I need to focus on the chart. Alright, closed it. Whew, made $126. Ugh. Too many. I'm closing down that. I have multiple tabs opened up, and this was on the mini chart, and I just pushed, like, I just selected 2 and boom. Jesus. It should be still going to 370. I was actually looking for $100. Look at that. I was actually looking for 150 bucks on this one to maybe hold it longer. Oof. Wow. Closed it. Closed it. Jesus Christ. Okay, here would be my final TP right now. I could have made like 700 bucks on this. By the way, I could have made like about $600 or $700 on a funded account, easy. Whew. Oh. Whew, for a few seconds there, I was like, what the? And it was on a funded account. My TP was, I mean, there was no proper TP, but I was thinking to maybe close it if I see it going into the supply zone, which it did. So I could have made about $600 or $700 on a funded. That's, oh man. Whew. Yeah, Lisa, I'm out. $126. Yeah, Jesus, that was close. Oh my god. Yeah, should have held it. Yeah, this was mainly a scalp trade that I was kind of holding after it got rejected from the gap. But 2 minis, maybe I should have just closed 1 mini. I know, maybe, but I'm okay. I made some small profit. I'm okay with it. I'm perfectly fine. Exactly. If it could have just gone down in a second, like boom. Oh man, my heart was like, I was having a small heart attack here. Like, what the heck? I don't want to blow up funded accounts. I mean, yeah, nobody wants to blow up funded accounts, but yeah. Okay. Anyway, the plan, the analysis was correct. So it went into the 1/5 minute supply zone here. Now the question remains, are we going to break the top here and continue higher like this way? So this is something that could be interesting. for me to go into the 1 hour fair value gap, but otherwise, no other targets that I see here happening. So, hey, Jonathan. Sure. Past core account. Do you need to have a buffer in core account? No, you don't. No need for a buffer. Also in scale account, you don't need to have a buffer. Once you have 5 winning days above $100, you're good. So you can basically, if you make $500 or $600 on the account, you can request it, but they're going to put you the maximum loss limit is going to be put to 50,000 plus 100. So basically your account is going to be blown up or almost like immediately closed. I tried that once. I actually took out, that was a starter account. I took out $1,200 and I was having I think my balance was 51,300. So I requested 1,200. The account was still active, but as soon as I pushed a button, boom, it just blown up. So it happens. Too much light. This camera is much brighter than the previous camera. This is a much brighter one. Actually, I can show you the difference because the other webcam is also plugged in. So this is the brand new camera right now, and I can switch to the previous one, which is this one. So this is the old camera here. This is much darker, and I don't know what's it look like. And this is the new camera. I don't know. Let's go, Zacher Monster. You made 3,200. Take 1K and oh yeah. That's awesome. So if you made, yeah, make exactly. So you can make. It's up to you how much buffer you want to leave on the account, right? Exactly. Yeah. Old camera is better. Maybe I'll go with that. I needed to test this one. I think I'm gonna use the new one on my funded TV just to see what happens. Maybe it's because the looks better. Man. Okay. Yeah. I didn't buy the new camera. Gives you color, makes you look better. Okay. Okay. The thing is, configure video. Okay. No. Okay. How can I put the color here? Gamma radiation. No. I don't need that. I need it to be more sharp. Alright, hold on. Let's put it a little bit darker. More sharper. Okay, this is the... Okay. No. Focus. Oh, wow. Zoom. Okay, never mind. Nothing is changing. I don't know. Nothing is changing. All right. Let's just put it to default. I'm gonna put this a little bit darker. and a little bit sharper. Okay. I don't know. I will have to test it. Thank you. Hey, MSG UFO, what's up? No, the other camera is actually darker. The other camera is actually much darker, the old one. That's why you might have, you know, this new one is much brighter by default. So, and I actually have the streamer lights here. But anyway. What? Stormy shots and slots. AACG thoughts. I haven't checked into it. I never really look at it. Is that a is that some crypto stuff? Crypto stock or something? I mean, that's ATA Creativity Global, right? Yeah, let's see how it goes. My face is really bright. Like, really, I know. Yeah, because when I switch the screen, it's because, yeah. Bright, come on, really? Why is that? But not now. It was because I switched and the monitor was, yeah, the monitor was having that. I was having a white screen. Okay, still hovering in this area. Everybody's waiting for the news. Everyone is waiting for the news, so four more minutes. I gotta check the stream properties here. Yeah, if I switch the window, then it's definitely much brighter. Okay, never mind. She never goes back, right? 3 more minutes, everybody. We're gonna survive. Don't worry. We are gonna survive. It's gonna be fun. I am awake, Kirk, 100%. I'm still waiting for the news. No positions, nothing. Just waiting. Oh no, no minis here. Definitely no minis. No 5 minis. No, no, no. Anyway, let's wait for the news. Let's wait for it. Let's see. Let's just see. Here comes the news. What the? What the? What is this? What is this? I gotta refresh the chart, I guess. I don't know what's happening. The mini, no, there's a gap on the micro on trading view. What's the number? 70-point drop. Yeah, some accounts are blown up now. That's for sure. Actually, much worse number than expected. Yeah. Much worse number. So they were okay. It's even much worse than before. Okay. Not a good number. It doesn't really matter. You know, NQ don't care about these numbers anymore. Yeah. Yeah, it's not good news, but the market doesn't care. I think the market just using it for liquidity sweep. I wouldn't be surprised if it would just go higher anyways. Nothing that can stop this market. I know that this would be a pure gamble here, and I don't know what would be the proper move. You know, I guess I'm still gonna be looking for a long position, maybe. Hold on. I mean, why not? Why not look for a long position if we can have a good one? Let's just wait for it. Let's go. Good luck, everyone. Yeah, exactly. Something like no, Kirk. I mean, yeah, sure, whatever. Get it right, right? Yeah. Oh man, John, be careful in this market, man. I think the drawn liquidity now that it has actually it's so if this gap is gonna hold, and if it's not gonna be able to close with the down close candle below 300, I think the drawn liquidity will be 404 as buy side. That's what I would think. So just wait for it. Okay. Still no positions. I mean, except for the two minis earlier. uh yeah, I don't know what the heck is going here, but NQ is that what did gold definitely. I mean, gold is still, it wanted to go for Asia high. I think gold wants to go for that Asia high. What do you think? It just wants it. Gold wants the Asia high. That's what I think. Let's see, how far is that? Yeah. I entered the gold long mostly for scalping. It's micro, don't worry. And we'll see. Oh, look at NQ. Still going down. Huh. No positions on NQ, but it's still interesting to see what's it doing. I'm not sleeping. Come on, John. And Kirk is just teasing everybody. I'm up, of course I'm up. I'm watching the charts, as we all should. We're watching it together. We hate gold. But I'm not trading gold all the time. Come on, son. I just like gold. Sometimes. Like 10% of the time. We can do it, right? Gold BMW is not looking good. Is it even a thing? Gold color BMW. Somebody had to do it. Ugh. That's not good. Who drives something like this? Oh my god. Now it's wrapped in gold. Yeah. I mean, not that bad, but You caught the spike? Let's go, man. That was a nice catch here. I still think Asia high should be taken at 35.9, so we'll see. I just have a small position here. That's it. On trade day, actually. Not a big one. Only 3 micros. And NQ I don't know about NQ. What about this gap on TradingView? I wonder if oh no, gold is down. I wonder if it's also there on some other prop firm data feeds. Yeah, it's visible on MyFundedFutures, on the Project X data feed. Let me check. No. Oh yeah, it's visible on Rhythmic too. So this gap is here on the micro. Vilkos, great choice. Done for the day. Yeah. Thank you so much for dropping in. Have a good one. Szépen, hogy voltál. Szép napot. No setup, yeah. That's why I said I still gonna be looking for possible short. Unfortunately, my gold trade is not looking good. It's in a nice drawdown. I think I might have to close it. All right. Closing it down. I don't like this area here. The gold just went south. You know the answer, John. I mean, I like Mercedes too, by the way. The CLS class is my favorite, by the way. I do like that shape. It's elegant, it's sporty. Yeah, I just closed it. Yeah. I think it might needs to sweep some more lows. That's why I got a little bit more skeptical on that trade. And it was a small one, 3 micros. What else is here? I wouldn't be surprised if gold would play dirty and just, you know, go down. Look at the 15-minute. Might just want to sweep some levels down there. Not trusting it. Same goes for NQ right now. I don't know. NQ for life, I know. It seems outdated by 20 years. But the new Mercedes, I mean, they have all these, you know, infotainment screens and LED stuff, and everything is touchscreen, whatever. So it's kind of like futuristic, no? I mean, the older versions, I mean, quote unquote older versions, like I'm not really familiar with the chassis generations of the Mercedes, but even like a 10-year-old Mercedes or 12-year-old Mercedes has some like old style interior some way. I don't know. I guess people like it. I'll start at a pullback. Gold is still down. I feel like NQ still wants to go lower. Gonna wait. Yeah, somebody told that it's actually everything is great and exclusive, but the plastic thing, everything is plastic. Like back in the days, I also remember that Mercedes was like, when you sit into a Mercedes, you were like on the Four Seasons, in the Four Seasons hotel. Like everything was top quality, everything, like especially the dashboard and all that such, the buttons. And now it's like, they told me that the modern Mercedes is like exactly the same quality as a cheap, not quote unquote cheap, but as a entry level Volkswagen or Skoda, maybe, or something like that. The interior. It's plastic. Yeah. I saw some videos about Chinese luxury cars. Now, I don't know the name because they have like these ridiculous Chinese car brands and SUVs. Yeah, Chinese SUVs. I saw some videos on TikTok and I was like, man, like the Chinese SUV is like having like, it's like a spaceship inside. You can do anything. I mean, it can really do like all the luxury for the same price as a high middle class European model, European car brand. Anyway, DCB, I'm not in a short. I'm not looking to go short. Actually, I'm still waiting. The issue is that there is a zone down there at 252, but until we're not having a clean displacement to at least go for a scalp, I'm not going to take it. The plastic wagon. Yeah. Yeah, so it's a nice interior, but yeah. Okay, gold is looking to recover here. Man, should I jump into gold? No, one more try maybe. I'm definitely tempted. All right, I jumped back. I have jumped back in, but now I doubled the position. High stakes here, 6 micros. Looking for that Asia high. 6 micros there. Double down. Let's see how it goes. Hey, Trading Star is back. Hey, what's up? No, 6 micros, not 6 mini. How you doing, Trading Star? Trader Monk, welcome. Good to see you. NQ going lower. No entry for now. Look at that. All right, NQ just made a new low. If NQ starts to waterfall down, then that can help my gold trade. Especially if we go down to the 252 on NQ. That should be good. Doing good, Trading Star. Good to see you. Brother from another mother. And a different father, but still a brother. Yeah. Crazy day, right? Oh no, my gold trade. Hmm. You know, if Trading Star is my brother, then you're the uncle of Kirk. Are we going still lower? I think it wants to. So that's a zone right there. That's if NQ goes for that level from right there. That is it. Those bearish candles on the 15-minute chart. Yeah, in 25, anything is possible, right? Oh. Dun, dun, dun. Come on, gold. Go higher. Get that Asia high. We need it. Let's go for that Asia high up there. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's so close. It's so close to take out that Asia high. You know, we swept previous day low. This would be the job for gold to take the Asia high. Look at that. We swept everything. Well, almost everything, but still. Previous day low. Beautiful. Pushing higher. At least tap into that Asia high. Do it for the stream, gold. Please. Oh yeah, the little man. When they were throwing him into that, what's it called? That stuff. I'm not gonna add 2 minis. No way. No way, man. It's just not gonna happen right now. No. It's not gonna happen. I'm not doing it. That was a heart attack right there. It's not going. What's the problem, gold? Come on. Come on, gold. Let's go to the 5-minute. You need to take the Asia high. That's the job. That's the job, gold. Come on. NQ is waterfalling down. Slowly, but it's going down. It's not showing the net P&L. All right. Never mind. Come on, gold. Stop program on NQ. I'm telling you, 252. That's where it wants to go. Whoa. Let's go, gold. Do it. DEW. Come on. Do it. I watch you and I listen to your stream every day when I'm doing something. No wonder you became... then absolutely. Absolutely. No wonder. Every day, few hours. You see? We should be doing a radio show next time. Exactly. You know, we're gonna be the best. So, yay! We just hit the TP on this one. Nice. All right. This was a good one. Yeah, yeah. You know, I think because it delivered, I mean, it picked up liquidity from previous day low. The perfect way to finish the day for gold would be to bring it above previous day high, but who knows? I was careful. So, but yeah. That was a good one. I liked it. This was a good trade. Da, 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 da. Blah, blah, blah. All right. Good. All right. 250 on NQ. Let's see. Whew. Yeah, 252 zone right there. It's gonna happen. Let's just go to the 1 minute. Oh yeah. It's gonna pick up orders at 72. The problem is, again, it is tempting to chase it. It's very tempting to jump in here and chase it all the way down to that zone. But the problem is NQ usually, you know, goes down a little bit. It's not going for the TP and it starts to bounce. And then maybe later it comes down. But this is usually, so if I would enter a sell position right here, this is what would happen. There's your entry, by the way. There's your entry on that fair value gap. It's up to you to make the decision. It's not financial advice. All right, Gabor. All right. All right. We sell off on NQ. Let's see. So now it's picking up liquidity here. Nothing on the 5 minute, no gaps up there. So if this gap is not gonna hold, then it might gonna sweep above that 296. I'm not sure. Yeah, it seems like. I thought that, you know, the market doesn't really gonna care. I mean, it can still go down, but now there's two things. I don't know why is that on the micro, but we have this gap here. So there's the gap on multiple data feeds. I don't know, it's because there were no orders executed here, absolutely. But the market likes these gaps. So trapping everybody into sells and can also result in this scenario. You know. And slowly going up there. And maybe even higher. So, oops. So that can happen. Well, if you want to enter now into a sell, risk reward ratio should be at least 1-to-1, you know. So that means if there's your TP, your maximum stop could be around 312. And that, oh man, no, oh, it's not even there. So it started to go now, sorry. It's moving fast. So so the maximum stop loss should be at 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Look, it's going now. Look at this. Just inverting this and now going down. Whew. 330. Yeah, maybe somewhere there. I agree. Look at that. This is gonna take the 252. That's a zone. I think it should take it. Yeah, look at that. I'm not gonna chase it, but it's amazing. It's just amazing to see. Okay, maybe not yet. It still needs to wait. And there she goes. 52. There you go. Did it go down? Low of this one. 52.50. There you go. So again, I must say that the 15-minute order block opening of this candle, this was the initial one. 52.50. This here, this candle. Open is 52.50. Lowest point 50. It went down to 250. Okay, nicely done. So it has been tagged. And from here, no idea. Look at gold wants to take previous day high. Still not jumping in. $187. Yeah, something like that. The low of the zone, 187.50 on the micro. If the sell-off is going to be real strong, then obviously no stopping until then. And of course, the low here, 187.50. Okay, so it picked up liquidity from this gap too, but that doesn't matter. It can still go. Yeah. So it seems like that the plans to get bullish, well, I'm not sure how far is that gap. A little bit more than 100 points. It can do it. I still don't know what's going to happen with that gap right there on the micro. I know it's not on the mini, but it's on the micro. It could be interesting for later. Hey Zoltan, welcome. Hungario LLC. I like the name. Cool company name. All right. All right, sorry, I was just reading a message here. There's no stop, it keeps drilling down. Yeah, it seems like. That's why I'm also like kind of watching gold. Should be, look at this. The next level is 187 for sure. But again, it's too low to sell and it's too high to go long. Sorry, it's too low to enter a sell and it's too low to enter a long position. It's like getting into that scenario to try to catch a falling knife here. If you try to do that, it's not going to be good. Actually, this is what somewhat I wanted to talk in MyFundedFutures. All right. Still just reading. Exactly. This is the falling knife issue. And it's typically like you enter a sell here and it's immediately going to bounce. So this is why discipline has to be, I mean, most important here. Sitting on the sidelines in this market is crucial, right? Not to enter any crazy trade here, because obviously we have a trending move here. This is just not looking good. Man, is it really going down that much? Feels like it wants to go for the 200. Again, it's tempting, I know, because it just keeps going and going and going. And I know how it feels like. I know. It does feel like it wants to take out that 200 down there. Anyway. Exactly, Philcos. I Look at this. Oh my gosh, it's just cutting through this level like it was never there. Okay. Honestly, guys, I am absolutely not interested to take any trade on NQ here. Absolutely not interested. I think the move already happened. Gold still wants to push that previous day high. I don't care about this market right now. I'm just not going to force myself into a trade here. No, look at that. And just like that, we took out the zone. So that zone on the 15-minute, this has been completely destroyed. Absolutely destroyed. So how far it will go, I have no idea. But I'm not going to predict it. There is one more level at 23K. Actually, the opening of this candle is 997.75. I'm just going to put it there. Not that it matters too much, but just for reference point. I'm definitely not going to take a trade. This has been destroyed and that's it. I have no intention to jump into this. Yeah, nice, Nawab. 157, maybe. Yeah, the consequent encroachment, if that's what it is, can still look for it. Or the 150s. Sorry, 54, not 57. Okay, gold. Look at that. Gold is going to break previous day high, and that's going to be it. And that's it. So that being said, I'm just not going to sit here and watch this because I'm not going to take more trades. I'm happy with that gold trade. I'm okay for today. I made a few $100 on funded accounts. I'm perfectly fine. I'm not going to do anything. So I just want to say thank you, everyone. But, you know, taking a trade right now, maybe like the PM session can do something. But, you know, no, not the beach yet. Maybe that's going to be next week. But I'll be at my funded TV shortly. I do have to prepare my computer, restart, clean everything, you know, memory stuff and software settings. And I'm going to pray, please pray for me that I'm not going to freeze down on my funded TV. It's kind of embarrassing in front of the other hosts, but I'll do my best. So I'll be at my funded TV in about 44 minutes-ish. So stay tuned. And I'll be back for tomorrow for London session and New York. This is definitely a red flag of not to enter the market. So I'm not interested in this. But that's good to know. That's trading. Okay. God bless you all. If you would like to support the channel, please don't forget to use the TOMSABO code. Now I have the code at TRADEIFY too. So I have it at TRADEIFY. Finally, after 8 months, use it at TRADEIFY. Let's go, everybody. And also everywhere. MyFundedFutures, Take Profit Trader. Go for it. Funded Futures Network, Apex, Bulenox, whatever. Thank you so much. Thank you, Mad Futures. I appreciate it. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Nawab, see you. You know what? Mad Futures, I'm gonna cut this out if you don't mind. I'm gonna tweet this if you don't mind. I would love to put this out to my Twitter. Thank you, man. If you give me the go-ahead, Mad Futures, and if I can blur your name out if you want to, but would be awesome if I could put this out. Anyway, I'm gonna put it out anyway. So have a good one. God bless you all. I'll be at MyFundedFutures, MyFunded TV soon. All right. God bless. Cheers, everyone.